The MYBOAT 11'6" inflatable fishing stand-up paddleboard is a versatile board designed for a variety of water activities, from fishing to yoga, and is particularly well suited to beginners due to its stability and ease of use. Constructed from triple-layer fusion laminated military-grade PVC material with a carbon-tech rail, this paddleboard offers superior rigidity and durability, feeling like a hardboard under your feet while lasting a lifetime. Despite its robust construction, the MYBOAT paddleboard is highly portable, making it an excellent choice for camping trips, boating, or for those with limited transport or storage space. The paddleboard can support up to 430 pounds, making it spacious enough for one rider and additional cargo, or even two riders. Additional features such as 2 safety handles, a camera mount, and 14 D-rings with dual bungees provide ample storage space and enhance safety and enjoyment during use. The complete paddleboard kit includes a safety leash, hand pump, 3 removable fins, a length-adjustable strong paddle, a mobile phone waterproof bag, and a 5-liter waterproof backpack, providing everything needed for a great paddleboarding experience.